Biography of Humayun Saeed, Early Life and Education. Humayun Saeed was born on July 27, 1971 in Karachi, Pakistan into a Punjabi family originally from Punjab but settled in Karachi. He studied commerce and graduated with a degree in business administration before entering showbiz. He worked as a general manager at a garment factory. Entry into showbiz in the early 1990s. Humayun entered the entertainment industry almost by chance, first appearing as a model before moving into acting. His first acting project was in a television drama serial for PTV, where he quickly gained attention for his strong screen presence. By the mid-1990s, he was already considered one of the most promising TV actors. Television career. Humayun Saeed became a household name through powerful roles in TV serials. Some of his notable dramas include Mehndi 2003, a family drama that became one of the most successful serials of its time. Do Raha 2008, a romantic drama showcasing emotional depth. Meri Zaat Zarai-e-Benishan 2009, produced by him. It was one of the most memorable dramas in Pakistan. Dil Lagi 2016, a romantic drama opposite Mehwish Hayat that gained critical acclaim. Mere Paas Tum Ho 2019 to 2020, his biggest TV hit, where he played Danish, a role that made him an icon. Film career. Humayun is among the few actors who successfully transitioned from TV to cinema. Debut Intaha 1999, a critically acclaimed performance. Comeback to cinema. मैं हूँ शाहिद अफरीदी 2013, produced by him, revived modern Pakistani cinema. Blockbusters. जवानी फिर नहीं आनी 2015, पंजाब नहीं जाऊंगी 2017, जवानी फिर नहीं आनी 2018, लंदन नहीं जाऊंगा 2022. His films have consistently broken box office records in Pakistan, making him one of the country's top film stars. International breakthrough. In 2022, Humayun achieved international recognition when he was cast as Dr. Hasnat Khan, Princess Diana's love interest in Netflix award-winning series The Crown Season 5. This role made him as the first mainstream Pakistani actor to play a major role in a global Netflix series. Producer and entrepreneur, co-founder of Six Sigma Plus, one of Pakistan's leading drama production companies. As a producer, he has delivered mega hit serials including मेरे पास तुम हो, मैं अब्दुल कदीर हूँ, सिन्फे आहन और मेरी ज़ात ज़राए-ए-बेनिशान. Known for raising the standards of Pakistani television production. Awards and honors. Lux Style Awards, multiple wins for Best Actor and Best Serial as producer. Nigar Awards, prestigious recognition in cinema. ARY Film Awards, Best Actor for Jawani Phir Nahi Aani. Pride of Performance 2021, one of Pakistan's highest civilian awards given by Government of Pakistan for his contributions to the arts. Personal life. Married to Samina Humayun Saeed, a respected drama producer. Together they are considered a power couple in the Pakistani entertainment industry. Known to be private about his personal life but admired for his humility and dedication to his craft. Legacy. Humayun Saeed is regarded as one of the most bankable stars in Pakistan, a trendsetter in both drama and cinema, a bridge between TV and film, proving that actors can succeed in both mediums, an inspiration for younger actors, showing longevity and consistency in an industry that is ever changing. In short, Humayun Saeed is not just an actor, he is a complete entertainment icon of Pakistan, representing success in acting, production and international recognition. MD Udaan News TV, Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil cooks, desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil white Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Alevex beauty soap and marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.